Alright, here we go. You just keep on pulling that log back. Okay. Okay, now we got all the siding off, top off. And now John's holding on to it here, so don't go anywhere just yet. That's all the siding. It was 2 layers of siding, and okay, that's that. That garage is gone. There's all the siding I took off, and the undersiding and more undersiding. Oh my gosh, it was bad. I bet you that house has layers of siding on it too. Well, you wanted the garage down, did it in one day. I'd say that was a success. We got it done in one day.
Not done yet. Don't think you're going home yet.
Oh man, I gotta go camping tomorrow. I got an RV to load up.
Well, you'll be tired tonight.
In other words, you're making me stay. That's not even all of it. We got another trailer here. There's more siding over there. More siding here. I moved up all the kindling here and put it in the back of our truck. Cleaned up all the yard. Dog houses. I got one cat house here left to... Haha, did you hear that? We got a cat house. I couldn't reach that siding in the front, so I'll take it out from down on the ground. Hey, we brought our Sawzall. We've been battling the wind. Alright, we'll be back. We'll show you what's going up. Right here's a 30-foot wide garage. And then right here is going to be a really cool breezeway. And then this whole end of the house right here is coming out. And I've helped him design, this is the original kitchen right here. We're going to pull this out. And then over here we're going to have a full front porch. Right here coming off. So all of this is going, and we're just going to bring this roof line right here, we're going to bring it straight across here and out to about right here. So it's going to add probably about 8 to 10 feet back onto this end of the house to the kitchen. It'd be nice. We're going to run all the cabinets right here this direction, this way and this way. And then we're going to have a really long farmhouse table in the thing here. Not we, my son and his wife. This gives you an idea of where my son lives here. I don't know if I've showed you his place before or not. Jonathan's about below that old farm road right there, man. Molly. Been her a while. Sorry about the wind. Is that a little better? And then here's another country road this way. And then you can see there, right over there, the barn is about ready to go down. The barn right there, it's got a quilt. See that barn way out there? It's got a quilt painted on it. And then right over here is my son's barn. Alright, so it's just a matter of a redesign. I hope you can hear me. I'm trying to cover the microphone. The wind is bad. So we're just going to bring the porch on around. Put stone on the bottom. Bring this kitchen out. This driveway, he's got 2 driveways that go like in a circle. And so over here then it's going to be a 3-car garage. And I don't know, right there's one of their daughter's bedroom up there. I might talk him into making that bedroom a little bit bigger here. We gotta move the air conditioner too. I gotta figure clear that one out. And then he's got his well there. Are you sure he can build over the top of his well like that? Is that legal? I guess it's a different county, but that's the well, right?
I don't know, or it's a cistern.
Cistern? You're not allowed to have cisterns anymore.
Yeah,
They might make him fill that in.
Yeah, I had one in Indianapolis, a cistern.
Yeah, you're not allowed to have them here anymore. Okay. Okay. That's where we're at. Alright, let me pass. I'm getting a little tired, Bubba. I still have to do all the packing for our trip yet. And then here we gotta get the pool up and running too here before the next birthday party. His pool's buried partially in the ground, so it's part in the ground, and then all of our garden is back all the way across here. And my son, he burns wood. There's Zena. And then my son, oh man, I'm tired. See, we gotta get all that water off there, and we gotta. Come here, Zena. Hi, Zena. Hi, girl. She's part husky, part German shepherd, part lab. And then right here's some more of the gardens here. And then that thing right there is how my son heats his house. He heats his house with wood. And this is all that is left. I think he might have even done that yesterday, but that's it. He keeps it all on these pallets on top of this concrete slab, this old barn slab here he tore down. And yeah, there's all the wood he unloaded today. I don't know if you can see it back over there. So, and that's our burn pile over there. But this little thing right here, that heats the house. You throw some wood in the morning, a little bit in the afternoon, and then that's it, isn't it, girl? So, alright. Memory where a garage used to sit. Now she's gone. It'll be really neat to see the new addition.
Let me backtrack. If you start with the fall, what we see from the fall on is what we actually visually see in the universe. We know it had a beginning, we know it is expanding, but God had made the universe and the earth as a place where man would live eternally. And there was no death in the world. But after the fall, as recorded in Genesis, what you have is an overall decay of humanity and a shortening of the lifespan after the flood to our current situation where we are now. What we see is an overall decay. Scientifically, that's validated and supported. And that's what we see in the universe, is an overall decay of ourselves, our surroundings, and our environment. What we see in the cosmos is an overall decay and an eventual end of the cosmos, as the Bible says.